Hey guys, Rob here from the Off-Grid Tiny House. Was just messing around with some prepping gear. Wanted to show you what I came up with for my, basically, this will be like an everyday carry item. Small size, it's basically, so what I have in it, I have a retractable knife that locks, which is kind of important. And it's a pretty good knife I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Stainless. And since these come out, I haven't seen them come back there. Now I don't know if that's because this thing was a steal or what, but I thought it's a really good knife for $1.25. Fantastic. I tested it out. So that's the first item on there. The next item, also from the dollar store, but not Dollar Tree, is a magnesium rod. And this item that came with it it's pretty dull. I should even take it off. It's just dead weight. It's got a little serrated edge here, and then everything else is just plain Jane. But it's a magnesium bar with your flint striker. I can strike it with the knife, back end of the knife there. So this little piece that came with it is kind of garbage. So moving on, I have a small LED light that I got free, and it's pretty good. It's got it's a 3-beam, 3 LED light, and that's good enough for a keychain. It uses those damn button cells though that are garbage. So, and I don't have any replacements or rechargeable aspect for that. So that's the only downer on that thing. I wish they'd make this type with the 3 LED lights with a single AA or AAA. Let me know, guys, in the comments if you think you saw something like that. I just want the single battery though. I don't want. Most of them come with. It's either 3 AAA or 3 AA. Forget that. The next item is the can opener. So if I happen to run across some canned food, I have a nice way of opening this. You guys seen me demo this when I picked it up. If you haven't seen the demo yet, on my channel, look up I think it's amazing shit hit the fan item, something along those lines in the title. I have this is the bigger one, and I also have the smaller one, which is here. I have both just in case you get a smaller can. So those two are on the keychain. And next, I have some nail clippers for maintenance. So you get your if you guys are bugged out on the trail for a long time, and you don't have a way to maintain your nails on your fingers and your toes especially, you're gonna run into foot issues quite a bit. So if you're always hiking or on the trail, and I'm talking long term because it takes a while for your nails to grow. After about a month out there with no gear or hardly any gear, you want to definitely trim those toenails, or you're gonna be walking around with some hurting feet. Everything's going to be all smashed in. I'm sure you could use your knife if you had a lot of time and were careful to maintain your nails, but why not? For the little money that costs, throw it on. Also have a, this is a foldable pair of scissors that I picked up also. That was in a sewing kit that I got from the dollar store. So that's a pretty handy little item. And they work good too, these scissors. So they fold up. for a nice little tiny size there, and it comes with a hole already tapped. So that's all what I have so far on the EDC keychain. I do want to look for a button compass to clip on here. That's an item I'm missing. If you guys can suggest any more items. It's a fair bit of weight there, but nothing too crazy yet. But at least I have a decent knife. I have, which has unlimited uses. I have a way to start fires. I have lighting, temporarily, at best anyway. And then some food, can opening options, comfort items for hygiene, and scissors. You never know when you're going to need a pair of those. So that's my EDC carry right now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe. Please let my channel grow. And more content will be on the way for you guys, okay? So that's it for now.